It all begins and ends with our patients.
We serve our patients from the moment they arrive
to well past the point when they leave.
Whether it is nursing,
engineering,
information technology,
surgery,
housekeeping,
we all exist to serve the patient.
And that's why
we are the smarter choice.
And that's why we are the smarter choice for care.
And that's why we are the smarter choice for care.
And that's why I sincerely believe that Middlesex Hospital is the smarter choice for care.
Technology in healthcare is complex. There are just millions of elements that you have to consider. It's definitely needed for healthcare simply because the human mind can't comprehend everything that it has to.
Technology here is primarily physician-driven. That is to say, you've got physician champions who say, hey, we need to bring this technology to the hospital for specific reasons.
We're always looking for different ways to make our doctors and our PCTs, our nurses, their lives easier with the technology that we know exists.
We have some very creative technology, but we also have some very creative people, very smart people.
But it's the people who bring that personal touch and use that technology to deliver the best care.
We have the big town stuff as a small town hospital.
The building of the CCU gave us a great opportunity to leverage technology and try to make not only nurses much more efficient in using data and bringing data to the bedside, but also to engage the patients in their care.
I think the major functions of the smart room technology is the fact that all of the data that comes off our Philips monitoring systems, our ventilator systems, go right to the patient's medical record.
And I think that it is going to continue to help do the thing that I think is most important. Take the data that we collect on our patients and allow our clinical staff to focus on the patient instead of focusing on documentation.
Middlesex Hospital has always been known for its high-touch approach to patient care. But when you look at our surgical robotics program, it's just another example of how high-touch is supported by high-tech.
Very much now we are focused on patient engagement, and that means for us using technology to assist patients to make smarter choices. We have smarter patients making smarter choices, and we will have healthier communities.
No one should ever come to the hospital and be harmed in a way that could have been avoided. Because we focus on their safety, we focus on their quality, and we focus on the experience they have.
I define quality on several dimensions, and it's all patient-centered, patient-based.
Safety is big here, not just for a nurse to look out for safety, but everybody on the floor, support staff, people from environmental. It's everyone's responsibility.
The hospital has invested a lot of time and effort in creating our safety program, so we started Morning Huddle.
And each manager reports on any safety issues that they find to need attention first thing in the morning before we even start our day. And those things become the priority one issues for the day to get resolved.
Quality and safety are paramount to all that we do. Quality improvement is something that really guides our cancer program's development. We're looking at areas of patient care, of treatment, where we can improve the quality that we're providing to our patients, and that really does take a multidisciplinary team approach.
We have received many awards for our high quality care, our standards of practice, our core measures, a variety of quality things that show not only do we care and provide good care, but we provide outstanding care.
There's definitely a sense of pride in being a magnet hospital. It is the most prestigious nursing award that can be received by any hospital.
And it's a lot of work to be designated a magnet hospital. It is a huge undertaking, and it actually attracts the best of the best.
Because we are magnet status and because they only take the elite, we give elite care. One of the wonderful things about Middlesex County is it's a place where healthcare really works. One of the biggest reasons is because we have a strong primary care base.
Family medicine is really the heart of healthcare because we coordinate any specialist appointments. We follow up with our patients. We welcome all of our patients to call us at any point and share anything with us that may impact their health. A hospital is just a part of the whole continuum. We just happen to be a very strong community hospital who has a sense of the pulse of our community, what it needs, and we've been able to do that
and continue that over my career, certainly as long as I've been here.
When you're the first one to do something, the word innovator applies, and that innovation flat out saved my life.
We have low-dose CAT scan screening for lung cancer, and we've already saved lives. We can take a patient from early detection, treatment, and right through to survivorship.
And again, the specialists that have been recruited over the years have really built up the Cancer Center program just as an example of the improvements that have gone on here at Middlesex Hospital.
The Surgical Alliance is a major recent initiative of Middlesex Hospital to bring together surgical specialists from outside the Middlesex Hospital community to provide these specialty services within the greater context of the Middlesex Hospital Cancer Center and providers.
The word community means something of closeness, of familiarity, but with Middlesex you also get many services and resources that you wouldn't normally expect.
If we want to look at where is the best place to provide care in the most cost-effective way, it's in the home. The innovation part of it is that we're branching out because it's not just the home anymore. We want to be as innovative as possible. We want to be value-added. We want to be the solution.
We're really excited about our new Shoreline Medical Center being constructed here in Westbrook. We believe that we'll be able to provide emergency and ambulatory services to many more people along the shoreline. And frankly, a higher level of innovative medical and clinical technology than we can right now. And we can tie that technology back to all of our sites throughout our entire service area.
The culture at Middlesex Hospital is the essence of what differentiates us, and it's the essence of what elevates us to a very high level of performance. And it's the invisible hand that moves this organization in a positive way.
Middlesex Hospital is the smarter choice for care because it's a hospital that has a soul and the medical care is top-notch.
You know, I really think it's all of us working together for one goal.
It's less about what's it going to take from me and time and resources and more about, is this the common goal for our patient that we can all agree to? And if the answer is yes, we're going to find a way to go for it.
There's one goal here, is to help our patients get better.
Here at Middlesex Hospital, we do have a culture that anyone who has an idea or a thought, we respect it. Everyone's opinion counts.
We each have a role, and it's all different, but it's important that we work collaboratively.
Regardless if it's their job or not, they are always there to help.
Because the people who work here really care about what they do.
And I mean this from the bottom of my heart. You cannot get onto an elevator and happen to be on the elevator with someone wearing a Middlesex tag and not have them talk to you and not have them be just polite and nice to you.
Pride and community.
Very, very compassionate. That's why I bring my family here.
Amazing. Absolutely amazing.
The best.
A great team.
It really is like a big family.
Well, we give the best care here. We have the best doctors, the best nurses, best PCTs, we have very good care.
What we do is huge. Huge.
Knowing that you're touching people's lives and knowing that you're part of something that's very good in this world and changing the community for the better, you know, you can't beat that.
And I would say the smarter choice for care is because of our people. So it's really all about the people that are part of Middlesex Hospital.
And that's why we are the smarter choice for care.
And that's why we are the smarter choice for care.
We are the reason Middlesex Hospital is the smarter choice for care.
And our employees are the essence of why Middlesex Hospital is the smarter choice for care.